Today we talk about how can you save this sign on your how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do. So you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So sorry, you click here on your photo profile here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. And all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on messaging, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, come here to auto download. You may miss here, just clicking this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. That's main auto download. May miss disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.